Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we are filming with Revolution's new power palettes. I saw these go live yesterday, had to pick them up and they've arrived today so we can do a look. I am trying to recreate this look that I did right here. Like, this was last year. I think it was with one of the XX palettes. So I'm thinking, I think it was the Cloud palette. I'm thinking of doing something colourful and you'll see why. Because these are their new power palettes. And you've got like some neutral, you've got a pink, and then you've got some colours. And I think I should go for some colour, don't you? So this is the Be Kind palette. These retail for £6. They all come with a little slip that has the exact same name right there. So it slots back on. So this is Be Kind. You've got pastels and you've got a shimmer shade there. This is really cute. I really love them all, to be fair. This one, She's Queen, is my favourite and you'll see why. It's neutral. I love these palettes. I love neutral palettes, and this has got 4 mattes and these 2 shimmers here. I saw Lucy's video and she said that this matte actually has slight shimmer to it, but you can use that as a matte, to be honest. I have got my window open, so if it's a bit noisy, I'm sorry, but it's so hot. And then this is the Love Conquers palette, which just looks like this. I do wish there was mirrors in there, but I can actually appreciate the cover. And then lastly, we have the palette called Unity. I feel like I could use most of these in today's look, but at the same time, I feel like I want to stick to the brighter palettes because why not? So this is the Unity palette, which just looks like this. I feel like this one in conjunction with this one, Be Kind, is going to be stunning. So I'm hoping to use these two for a look. So I'm going to do some swatches. I feel like I haven't swatched in a long time. So let's do some swatches and then we can get into the look. You know what? It looks like I fake tanned and I've actually not. This is real tan for once. So yeah, let's get into swatches. Okay, so we have Unity swatched right here and Be Kind right here. So let me just remind you of what the palettes look like. So that is Be Kind right there. So that is the palette swatched on the corner here. And then the one on the other side is Unity. I love these palettes, I really do, and I feel like we are going to be able to recreate that look. The shade from Be Kind, the gold, is really hardly pressed in the pan, but it actually swatched gorgeously. But the purple from Unity is very like metallic-y, so that one's going to be gorgeous too. This is She's a Queen and this is Love Conquers. Do you know what? The shade in She's a Queen, this shade is beautiful, but it is fucking hardly pressed in the pan. Like, you really have to stick your finger in there to get it. This shade here, there's a few hardly pressed colours, but then I think it might work out if you use your finger on your lid. And then Love Conquers all here is really nice. And that shade here together is like really crumbly at the bottom, but it actually is really, really nice. So that is all the swatches. Let's put some eye base on and play with these bad boys. Let's get you close up. I'm thinking of starting with yellow. Let's actually start with the yellow in Unity. I don't know what I'm doing. Unity. Just going to put that in the crease. That yellow was called Strength. Now we're going to take this orangey kind of colour called Unity and just put it here. You know, I did shut the window a bit, but the seagulls are having fun out there. Next shade we're going to take is History. And we're just going to bring that out here. And then on this eye, we're going to start off with the shade Fun from Be Kind. There's not a shade to blend this shade out with, so I am just going to bring this quite high, to be fair, and like blend it out with itself. Then we're going to go in with this purple pastel colour called Kindness. And we're going to bring that all the way over. And drop a whole load on my titties. Actually, no. Let's go over it with Empathy, sorry. I want the darker shade first. Empathy. These are very dusty as well. It's actually very pastel. It's not as dark as I thought it would be. Is there another purple? No. we're just gonna have to stick to it looking like this. It would be a little bit darker, but it's not. Okay, next we're gonna blend this eye out first. Let's go into the Be Kind palette and let's use the shade Awareness to blend out that yellow. The orange, there's nothing to blend it out with, so I'm going to go back in with that shade, which was Untiy from the Untiy palette, and I'm just going to blend it out with itself basically. And then the pink, we're going to go in with the Be Kind palette and we're going to use this shade here called Support. And now I'm going to go off camera, do this all again, blend it out properly and come back. I feel like I might just put a brown on the outer corner here. Like I might go in with like one of these shades here, maybe a darker shade. Like maybe that, I don't know, maybe, let's see. Let me just blend them out and let's see. You know what? It's not too bad this side. Next time I think I should have just done this on this side, but I wanted to play with both palettes and recreate the look. It's not going to be exactly the same, but it's nearly there. I'm wondering, no, let's stick to these two palettes and maybe I'll do another video with the other two palettes because these are cute and they're £6 and they're like everyday type of palettes. Well, if you like colour, this is everyday. Anywho, I think let's put the shade Humanity on this eye. That is very hardly pressed in there for my, what do you call this thing? Oh, but it's, what is this thing called? My brush. I'm sorry, the noise outside is horrendous, but you know, you live and you learn. You know what, I just got back from work and I was really not feeling filming, but now that I've done this, I'm quite happy with it, you know. My brother's still working, so it's quiet in the house. The dog don't want to be in here, so I don't have to worry. But look at that. That worked out really well. And then we're going to go in Untiy and take... Do we go blue or do we go purple? What do we do? Should we try the blue? Yeah, let's do the blue. Seagulls been loving life the last couple of weeks. I think I've never heard them so loud. It's like, oh my god, Britain has hot weather. Wow, this is nice, you know. Like there's so much fallout, so do your eyes first before your base, but it is worth the fallout. Stuff is going crazy. Brother's probably finished work. There we go. I'm gonna go off camera, fix my face and come back because we're probably going to do the lower lash line next. I feel like this you really can't see. It needed a dark purple, but this one looks really nice. You know what? I really do like this look. I've done a lot of my makeup already. So I've used the brow pomade with actually from I Heart Revolution with the Beauty Bay Brow Fixer in transparent or glass. I used Anastasia highlight because I recently fell in love. This is the iced out one. I've got Rimmel Stay Matte, I've got Hoola bronzer. I'm still getting through that, you know, still, and I have a backup and a backup to the backup. Anywho, I've got, I don't know where it is. My foundation is missing. That is Revolution Conceal and Glow. And then on my lips, I love this combo. We have Relove Wonder Lip Liner. We have Relove Believe. And we have Relove Sweet. Perfect nude combo. Now, I asked Jodie and she's helped me to figure out whether I put anything on the lower lash line. And we're gonna put yellow under the pink eye. And, oh, I don't have a blue. Should we go for the green? Let's do that. Okay. Yellow under this eye, green under this eye. So I'm going to go in with Strength from the Untiy palette under here. I wish I filmed a TikTok for this look now. I just wasn't sure. And over here we're going to go for the green, which is Fun. Oh, I just went and put that bloody pastel purple under. And once you put that colour, nothing else can go on top. And I've done it again. I need a new brush. Let's see if I can work this out. Okay. Done. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with the shade Humanity for both sides. Mate, I've used like 100 brushes down here. This is going to be fun to clean. Alright, time for mascara. This bit's patchy just because I put this shade down first, but I really wanted that shade and it when patchy, and no matter how much more I put over the top, it does not go darker. But that's my fault. So let's go and put some mascara on and be back. I love it. I love these palettes. They have worked out really well. I fucked up a little bit with the pastel purple, but oh my god, I did just go in. These Bratz liners really come in handy. So I went in with Chloe on this eye and with Sasha on this eye, because it really just tied in. I felt like there was something missing in the lower, like the waterline. Oh my god. Oh, and then for mascara, I used Triple Chocolate mascara. This mascara, by the way, if you're going to use it and you really want to like plump up your lashes, don't do it, because then your lashes just go zigzag. So you can use it for like 1 or 2 coats, but after that, stop. Anywho, let's talk about these palettes. Oh my god, I'm definitely gonna have to do the other 2 palettes. I love them, I really do. It's created such a nice look, and if you want like colourful on a budget but you don't want like massive palettes and feel overwhelmed, these are for you. These are definitely for you. If you're just getting started in colour, this is amazing. Like, it blended really well. They are gorgeous. I love the packaging of them both. Look at that. I am very, very excited to use the other ones, and I love the fact, like, look, 5 mattes, 1 shimmer, and even though that's hardly pressed in the pan, it worked out really well. Again, 5 mattes, 1 shimmer. It's missing for me a deep purple just for the outer corner here, and maybe like a inner corner highlight shade, like something a bit lighter than this gold. So they could have done maybe 2 shimmers and 4 mattes, but either way, you're going to take away one of these mattes, and I used all the mattes. So yeah, maybe I just keep them like this, don't we? And £6 is so affordable. I just wish maybe instead of this pink, maybe a deep purple, but then some people do like pinks to blend out their purples, or they could have put pink down and blended it out with the pastel purple. But I love it, I really do, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please let me know if you're going to pick up any of these power palettes. They are so nice, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye!